The last topic we're going to cover in this educational video series is the shape generator in a much higher amount of detail, as well as how to edit and configure individual shapes. Now, as you've seen in the previous videos, all you need to do in order to add a shape onto your work plane is click the desired shape and then place it on your work plane. Now, as soon as you place an object, as well as any selected objects, you'll see a window appear in the top right corner giving you some different sliders, allowing you to change their settings, some solid and some hole commands in order to change it from a hole to cut, or a solid to place, as well as changing that object's color. Now, these sliders that appear on a selected object change depending on the object that has been placed. For the polygon shape, it allows us to change the number of sides, which default is 6, all the way up to 12. Or, at a minimum, we can create 3 for a triangular prism. Now, the bevel slider allows you to very roughly remove the corners of an object. At bevel 0, you can see that at the top of the face we have a perfectly normal triangle. However, when we turn bevel up to the maximum of 2.5, you can see that it has removed the corners as if they were carved off with a knife. Now, the segment slider lets you decide how many cuts are used to actually remove the corners. So when you have segment set to 1 and bevel set to maximum, you can see that it's as if a single cut was used to remove the corners, and the resulting beveling is a completely flat surface. However, if we turn this up to its maximum value of 10, there will be now 10 distinct curves used up to round the corners of our triangular prism. You can use these options to adjust the shape, however it's very difficult to dimension these with any accuracy, so it is not commonly used. However, the option is there. Finally, in the top right corner you're going to see two buttons, Lock Editing, which when clicked prevents the object from being resized or moved in any way. This is useful if you want to have an object appear, you are happy with how it's turned out, and you want to edit other objects around or based off of that singular object. Beside it, you're going to see a light bulb command called Hide Selected. And what this is going to do is make the object completely invisible. This means that you won't be able to select it or move it on accident, and it'll allow you to work on pieces that may be hidden or smaller than that one component. Say if you were working on a box that had a lid, you could hide the lid of the box and still work on the components on the inside of the box without actually having to remove or replace the lid of the box itself. Just to show you, clicking Hide Selected will remove the polygon from view, although it's not actually been deleted, and then return any hidden objects to view once more. All you have to do is click on the light bulb, called Show All, and any hidden objects will appear to you, the viewer. I hope you enjoyed this educational video series. Feel free to try Tinkercad. It's again, a completely free program that's based in your browser, and it's excellent for beginners. Have a great day.